Came from Rhode Island. It has a couple of interesting options, which include the Rocky Mountain brakes. As you can see it on the rear wheel there. And it also has a speedometer, both of which were optional. You can see the speedometer drive and everything right there. Cable which goes up to the gauge. It also has a steering damper, I noticed, which I'm sure was not original. Of course, it has the hand crank and electric start. It has two places to choke the engine. One here if you're hand cranking it, and a knob on the instrument panel as well. Has the coach lights. I have the bowls which go underneath here inside the garage, cleaning them up and preparing them to function. Top is in excellent condition. Car was in a couple of movies. A movie called Mr. North, which I believe came out in either 1987 or 88. And I was told it was in The Great Gatsby, but I suspect it may have ended up on the cutting room floor because I watched the movie recently and couldn't find it. Looks like it also has an old style reflector. These are parking lights which the previous owner had added, as well as a brake light, which I'm told from people who were following me home does function properly. Club. I'm told George used to drive this car quite often, and it was always very reliable.